Hi, welcome to the 15 Words channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and practice how to use this and that word, and also these and those words. At school.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm 10 years old and this is my school. And this is my classroom. It is the large one. There are some books on the bookshelf. Those books belong to the school. This is Mrs.
Hello.
Ruby. She is my teacher. She teaches math. This is our school canteen. There are many students there. I like to be here when break time in the classroom. It is also available some snacks at the food stand. I like to buy a sandwich and a bottle of water. This is my meal. I have a sandwich on my plate, then I also have a cup of yogurt too. I also have a bottle of water. These are my friends. This is Nina and that is Nino. They are my classmates. This is our school library. There are many books that can be read by students. I often come to the library to read my favorite books. These are my favorite books. They are history, medical, and biology. I like to read them very much. I have a dream to be a doctor someday.
Listen and repeat. Listen.
This is a book. This is a book. These are books. These are books.
Repeat. Listen.
This is a chair. That is a rubbish bin. These are two chairs. Those are rubbish bins.
Repeat. Listen.
This teacher is in the office. This teacher is in the office. That teacher is outside of the office. That teacher is outside of the office. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. These books are very interesting. These books are very interesting. Those coconut trees are far from the man. Those coconut trees are far from the man.
Repeat. time. Welcome to our quiz about using this, that, these, and those words. Try to guess, what are the correct words for using the words this, that, these, and those in the given sentences within 10 seconds. This quiz aims to improve your vocabulary knowledge about using the words this, that, these, and those in English. Do your best and good luck.
Is a cat. A. This, B, that. This is a cat. Is a cat. A. This, B, that. That is a cat. What is? A. This, B, that. What is that? Is. A chair. A. This, B, that. Is. A chair. Cars are fast. A. These, B. Those. These cars are fast.
This word is used to refer to a singular object or person that is close to the speaker. That word is used to refer to a singular object or person that is farther away from the speaker. These word is used to refer to plural objects or people that are close to the speaker. Those is used to refer to plural objects or people that are farther away from the speaker. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. They have functions to point out or indicate specific objects or people. They help to establish the spatial or temporal relationship between the speaker and the object or person being referred to.